So these are self-locking clear braces. We are doing some minor finishing and detailing. So we'll be changing some brace positions. So if you see, that's the braces that we have removed for alignment, better alignment of teeth. So now I'll show you how we put the braces. So braces removal is easy. Let me show you how we fix just these two braces. I'll fix. So putting of the braces is a simple procedure. This may look like an injection, but it's not an injection. It is a glue, the first thing that we put onto the teeth. So we keep it for a few seconds, then we wash it. So now the tooth surface is ready. Now we do the step 2. In the step 2, we put this bonding agent. This is like a dental glue basically to hold the brace together. So in the step 2, we put this glue. Then we use a light cure unit to cure this area. That's the brace, and that is the composite, which is the adhesive with which the brace. So this is the composite adhesive which we have put at the back of the bracket. This is how the brace is held on the tooth. So just putting it, and then we'll just correct the position. Check if it is all good with my mirror. And then we'll lock it in this position. So with the brace, we put this adhesive, and then we just put this brace onto the tooth in the accurate position, and then we seal it.